Good morning, friends. So, ayan friends, ang ating mangga dito sa may raised bed ko. Okay rin kasi 'di ba ulan nga ng ulan dito sa amin. Tapos ang ating saluyot din, o 'di ba? Ang ganda rin niya. Kaso hindi pa ako makakapag kasi hindi pa kumpleto yung luto ba ng yung sabaw na laswa. Oh, ang cute ng yan, bubuyog. Inaano niya yung mga flowers. O, diba? Tapos may butterfly. Yun. So magdadamo pala ako ngayon, friends. So yun nga, sinasabi ko hindi pa ako makapaglaswa kasi hindi pa kumpleto yung mga mga gulay dahil nag-uumpisa pa lang ako magtanim-tanim. So ito pala yung roselle, friends, na tinanim ko nung nakaraan, pinakita ko sa inyo, di ba ang liliit nun. Ngayon, so na sila, lumalaki na. Yan yung pinanglalagay natin pang asim sa isda. Tapos ito yung aking mga red okra. Yan, tabi ng ating saluyot. So mag-aano lang ako, friends, dadamuhan ko lang tong raised bed ko dito. Yan, o diba, kailangan madami pa talaga akong lilinisin ang ating kamuti. So ayan, yung raised bed ko din dito, ang gulo. Pero mag-uumpisa na tayo dahil October na, hindi na siya ganun kainit. Ito yung kinuhaan ko na kamuti ng laman nung nakaraan. Hindi ko lang siya binunot lahat para may gulay-gulayan pa lang ako. Pero hindi na tayo dito makaka-harvest talaga yung mga laman kasi ang mga puno pinangbunot ko na. Yun yung pinangkuhaan ko ng mga laman ng ating kamuti na nilaga ko. So let's go, friends. Kukunin natin yung atis na mga hinog na. Ang mga manok, friends, kumakain ng rice. Yan. Yan yung rice na mura lang na nabili namin. Pero kinakain ko din yan. Galing sa Costco ba. So masarap naman. So si Shano na yun, inaano yung hagdan kasi kukunin namin yung last na bunga ng ice cream bean. So di ko alam kung napakita ko sa inyo dati yung mga pagkuha ko ng ice cream bean. Hindi ko na maalala. Ayan, kukunin natin na yun, kasi pwede na yun. Dalawa na lang yata yun doon. Han?
Yeah.
I'm getting it.
You can't reach it.
Really?
You're too short.
Really?
Yeah. I don't think I can reach it.
Okay.
You actually quit kicking the ladder.
You're good, I think. There's only 2, right?
Let's keep looking while I'm up here. A lot of new growth. Oh, here's one. Check this out. See it?
No. Okay, put it here. There's 2 more. Be careful.
I'm gonna eat it.
Is it ripe?
Yeah, it just fell off in my hand. Holy crap. Okay.
That's it.
I don't
There's
know.
more.
I think I should look.
So, yan po itsura ng ice cream bean, friends. Tapos papakita ko sa inyo mamaya yung laman niya. So, hindi siya kalakihan. Iba-iba din yung mga variety nito, friends, ng ice cream bean. Yan. Meron yung mahahaba. Ito naman ay maiikli lang. Mga tag-ilang seeds lang yung loob niya. So, papakita ko sa inyo mamaya. So, ayan, friends, kukunin natin yung ibang natitira ng ating atis. 3 pa to siguro. Oy, yung isa na ulit. Ayun, hinog na. Natanggal na sa niya. Sa pupungan. Here, Han. Cut this, Han. Oh, I think this one is also ripe. Just cut from the branch. So ayan siya, friends, ang ating atis. Okay, put it here, huh? And then there's another one.
Both or just this one?
Both of them. That's ripe. That's already.
Yeah, let's cut the bag.
It's fine. The other one there. Oh, that's also ripe.
Oh yeah.
They're all ripe. Put it there. Yeah, they're big. Okay, let's get the other one. No,
Oh.
no, they're not
Okay.
ready yet. See,
What I want.
that's rolling. Yeah. Okay, let's get the other atis. I think there's only one in here. But even if that's not ripe yet, we can harvest it. Yeah, that's so pretty and big. Unlike last time, it's not very big. And there is a wasp.
No, to be.
Okay. So ang ating trellis dito, friends, na tinaniman ko ng sayote dati. Magtatanim na ulit ako ng sayote kasi October na po sa ngayon. Okay, I think this one's fine, honey. Let's just yeah, that one. Oh, that's also ripe.
Yeah, it's right.
Wow, that's the last one here.
I think so.
Yeah, that's also big. Wow. And look, our cherries. There's
Oh,
a
yeah.
lot of reds.
Oh no, yeah. Look behind
See?
you too.
Our cherries.
You wanna get those real quick?
Yeah, just the
Red one.
ready one. Ready one.
Really red one.
Yep. He's getting our Barbados cherries. This one in the bottom, hand. I think that's also this one, the big one. This one, and there's another one there. You see that one? That looks nice. Wow, we gonna have a lot.
Look.
Yep.
You see those? It's full.
Yeah, I told him that's your favorite now because they're getting good. It's like they taste good now. Here, hon. That one.
That's good.
This one.
Not bad.
Yeah. So that's our harvest for today. And today
Strawberry tree.
strawberry tree. Yeah, we got a lot of small ones. We're gonna have a lot of Barbados cherry. Even the other big branch last time snapped because of the hurricane Ian. So but this one, it's getting better. See, they're nice. But our mulberry here, I think it needs iron. You see, but we don't really care that much on this one because that's the ever bearing, the very small fruit. And this is our black sapote. Ating bayabas dyan. So how's the papaya there? Yeah, this one is, I'm sure it's gonna come back. Tapos itong isa dito, friends, ay mukhang hindi talaga siya babalik kasi tingnan niyo, ano pa rin siya, naluyos or still wilted, or maybe kasi yung sa top niya ano pa rin ayun, oh, may green pa rin yung pinakadulo niya, so maybe babalik pa ito. Ayan. Ang amin pala yellow cacao, friends, hindi namin alam kung kailangan pa ng isang puno or may butiki para magbunga siya kasi madami naman siyang mga bulaklak ayan sa ilalim, pero wala siyang nagiging bunga pa, so hindi namin alam kung kailangan pa ng isang puno ng cacao. Yellow cacao pala yan. So ito pala mga seedlings ko, friends. Ayan o, may ampalaya, tapos yung talong, yan mga talong din yan. Tapos meron din dito, meron din tayo dito seedlings pa ng mga talong, tapos yung ang tawag niya, pichay, tapos ito broccoli. Ayan, mga seedlings natin, mga seedlings ni Shannon na. Ito naman ay ang pichay. Yan, tapos ito ay cucumber. Tapos mga sili na hindi pa tumutubo yung iba. So magtatanim na tayo dahil sinit na super init at medyo kaganda na yung panahon. O diba, yan yung temperature dito ngayon. Umagang umaga. 81. Mga kaimito pala natin na yung galing mga seeds na mga pinangtanim namin. Mukhang hindi sila ganun ka okay. Pero yung iba na tinanim namin sa malaki-laking paso, medyo lumalaki din siya. Yan. Ayun pala yung isang santol ko pa, napakita ko na pala yun sa inyo dati, no? Tapos ito naman ang aming yung aming persimmon na tingnan nyo, parang stick lang. Hindi ganun kaganda yung kanyang buhay. O diba, pati dito yung tinanim ko na maliliit na papaya, mamamatay na rin. Ayun pa, may isa. Ayan sa likod, dahil na ano siya ng tubig. So hindi ko pala friends napakita pa sa inyo dati, nakabili pala kami ng Manila tamarind or kamachili. Yan yung tawag nila dito, Manila tamarind. So kamachili po siya friends. So hindi natin alam kung mapapabuhay namin yan kasi diba tropical yung kamachili sa atin. Tapos ang ating green wax jumbo, ayan, nagiging ano na siya, malaking malaki. Tapos may bagong tubo din, ayan, oh. So maybe after the winter itatanim na namin yan sa ground para mas lumaki pa siya. Look friends, meron din tayong bayabas na nakuha. Ayan, kinuha ni Shannon din. Hindi ganun kadami yung bunga ng bayabas namin. Ato, pwede na to. Ayan, ating bayabas. Helicopter. Yung isa naghahanap pa rin doon. Tama na tong dalawa. Ito medyo malaki-laki ang isa. Ito pa pala friends, pwede na to. Ayan, oh, medyo yellow na siya. Okay, may bayabas na rin tayo. O, tingnan nyo friends, diba? Parang nasa ilalim na talaga kami ng forest sa section na to. Sa may kawayan. Ang ating papaya, lumalaki na sila friends. Ayan, yung mahahaba natin na papaya. Papaya. So, ito po yung harvest namin today friends. Yan, ang aming ice cream bean. Tapos yung ating ates, bayabas, at ang ating Barbados cherry. Yan. Yung tatlong ano natin ates, masyado na siyang hinog na. Ang ice cream bean, papakita ko sa inyo yung loob. So, that's what it looks like inside friends. Yan, yung buto niya.
Eat it, put it in your mouth. Don't eat the green.
So tell me what it tastes
can,
like.
But... Here.
Do you have to bite into it?
No, look.
Yeah,
That's
it's
the
sweet.
seed. Just take the seed. You don't eat the seed. You eat around it.
Yeah, it's sweet friends.
They're all
That's the
germinated.
seeds.
Take out the seed and
Yeah, it's sweet. Yeah, matamis siya friends.
Ooh, I broke that one.